Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner.com's learning video tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will learn the meaning of Muslim girls' names starting with J. Let's start. Jaan means Persian soul, life. Jabeen means the forehead, deer. Jagatee means the earth. Jahanara means queen of the universe. Jala means clarity, elucidation. Jaleelah means great, glorious, illustrious, dignified. Jamaal means beauty, elegance, of good looks and character. Jameelah means physically and morally attractive, good looking, beautiful, pretty girl. Jameerah means beautiful one. Janaan means heart or soul. Jannah means heaven, paradise. Jannat means heaven. Jarita means an earthen water jug. Jasmin means a flower. Jasmina means a flower. Johar means a gem, a jewel, a pearl, skill, knowledge. Jawahir means precious stones, jewels. Johara means jewel, gem. Jannat means the sentiment of love. Jaan means beautiful flower. Jasina means flower. Jannah means a stream. Jilmil means sparkling. Jinook means oyster. Jigya means curiosity to know. Janaan means garden or paradise. Jivya means means of livelihood. Johra means jewel. Juhi means tiny flower with fragrance. Jumana means silver pearl. June Na. Junaina means little garden. Javeria was the name of the wife of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby.